Am I the only one who didn't know you could fix a dishwasher with just a few simple tools? Why isn't everyone talking about this? Let's dive into the world of DIY dishwasher repair. First off, if your dishwasher isn't draining, check the drain hose. It's usually located under your sink or behind the dishwasher. Make sure it's not kinked or clogged. A simple rinse or gentle poke with a wire might just do the trick. Next up, the sprayer arms. If your dishes are coming out grimy, these bad boys might be clogged. Just unscrew them and rinse under hot water. You can use a toothpick to clear out the holes. Now let's talk about the filter. Located at the bottom of your dishwasher, this can get pretty gunky. Pull it out, give it a nice bath in soapy water, and you're good to go. Remember, a clean filter means a happy dishwasher. And hey, if your machine is making strange noises, it might just be a rogue utensil that's made its escape from the basket. Give it a check, no need to let a spoon throw a wrench in your plans. Done all this and still having trouble? Maybe it's time to call in the pros. Don't worry, we've got you covered at Repairware. Just dial 514-637-2749 or visit our website at www.repairware.ca to request an in-home service call. Because sometimes even the best DIYers need a hand.